Wires, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making jewelry using resin clay. Resin clay is amazing, it dries hard as a rock, and it's perfect for jewelry making projects. And we're also using my Redesign with Prima Decor molds. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hey, and you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some resin clay jewelry. Epoxy putty sticks were invented by a chemist in 1973. And this epoxy has many uses. It can fill gaps, be sanded, drilled, and painted. And because it's water resistant, it's great for fixing leaky pipes. In a cave in the western Morocco desert, archaeologists have discovered the world's oldest jewelry. It was a set of shell beads dated from 142,000 to 150,000 years ago. Early bracelets found in ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China were made of grasses, slender tree limbs, and shells, and then later in copper and bronze. I'm going to leave a link for Redesign with Prima and the resin clay that I used in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye.